Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Just trying to do a follow-up video. Was gonna take off the oil pan in the upper oil pan. As you can see, the engine behind me, the Power Stroke, the 6.0. Then I'm gonna do the ARP head studs and the reseal. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the oil pan and the upper oil pan, so you guys can go ahead and take a look at what's going on down there and some of the things that I already kind of explained to you guys. Again, apologize for the quality. I'm going to end up getting better equipment as I move forward. um, just bear with me, you guys. So let me go ahead and go show you guys what's going on right here. I am going to go ahead and only take off the upper oil pan and the oil pan. I'm going to leave the rest of it for tomorrow. Better daylight, better everything. It's already night here, burning that midnight oil. I got a few parts to clean anyway, so that's some of the other things I do when I'm not totally disassembling the engine. I'm cleaning parts as well. So here, let me go ahead and show you guys what's going on. Let's go over here. So again, you guys, here it is. Like I was telling you guys, right now it's time to take off the bed plate right here, but we needed to clean the sides. I don't know if you guys remember this. This engine was really dirty. It was extremely dirty, you guys. So what I went ahead and did is that I scraped everything that I could. If you look right here, you guys look right there. Look at that. That's the junction. Look how clean that is, you guys. Look how clean that is. Look at these junctions. Very clean. If you guys remember what it looked like before, and even under here, you guys, I went ahead and got all in there. It's right in there. See, that's the other. That's where the upper oil pan, right there, the upper oil pan and the bed plate itself meet at right there. That's the joint. I went ahead and cleaned that up real good. I get all that in between because once you remove these parts, you can run the risk of dropping some of that dirt in there, rocks, whatever. And if it just goes in the wrong place, you guys, and you didn't notice it, it's just something that can be avoided if you do just a little bit of work, you guys. It's not the hardest thing, a little bit detail oriented, but we can get it done. These are some of the things that I use to do this, you guys. Simple tools. My little screwdriver right here. This thing's not focusing. Excuse me, guys. But these are it right here. It's just a screwdriver and some picks. That screwdriver is sharpened at the tip, and I just, just get it. Just boom, boom, boom. Hit it off right there. It'll clean it up, and then I blow it out with compressed air. So let me go ahead and remove this oil pan. Put it right here. And there it is, you guys. So that there is the oil pan removed. That is the upper oil pan. As you can see, there's the pickup right there. That right there is the oil pickup. That's what sucks the oil up from the oil pan, takes it all the way to the front. See the housing right here? Takes it all the way to the front. Here's the hole. Right here is where the oil pump goes at. Oil pump sucks it up, sends it out through the system. I'll give you guys a more better detailed description once we start building the system up. You'll actually be able to see it a lot better. Also with the front plate nice and clean, you'll be able to see it. The front plate is the one that distributes that oil. It also distributes the coolant passages, because the front plate, as it comes on, it covers all of this, the oil passages, coolant passages, the coolant passages down here. So I'll be able to go ahead and show you guys that a little bit more detailed. So that there is the upper oil pan. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And that's it, you guys, right there. That is the bottom of the bed plate itself. So that there's the bed plate in here. You can go ahead and see that the connecting rods are in there, the crankshaft is in there, there's the back of the pistons. I know there's not a lot of light, you guys. Tomorrow I'm going to be able to go ahead and show you a little bit more detailed on everything, so you guys can go ahead and see better detail. I can explain a lot of better things. Like I said, this is just a rough over. Just want to show you guys I'm out here working. I'm not BSing. I'm not faking the funk. This is what I do for a living. But this is not the only thing I'm going to talk about on this channel. This is also going to do with, managing your anger. Like right now, trying to get this done, I need to make sure I don't get mad because I'm way behind on the timeline on this engine. I am way behind, you guys. I get a lot of trucks. So let me go ahead and we'll leave it for tomorrow. I'll give you guys a little quick explanation when there's daylight. You guys have yourselves a great night. Love you guys. Be safe.